Canva literally just dropped VEO 3, and I had to jump on here immediately to show you this game changer. If you're a creative entrepreneur still posting static images, you're about to get left behind. In the next few minutes, you will know exactly how to access this feature and why it's about to transform your content strategy. All right, so what you're going to do is come into Canva. Once you're inside of Canva, you're going to click on Canva AI. Once you click on Canva AI, a screen is going to pop up that looks like this. You're going to come over to the bottom here, and you want to click on Create a Video Clip. This is a pro feature. Once you click on Video Clip, you want to click, you have all these other options that you can click on. So you have your style. Do you want a cinematic view, photorealistic, cyberpunk? And you're going to go ahead and click one that you want to use. After that, you want to click your aspect ratio. So for now, the only availability that they have is 16 by 9. After that, you want to click your duration, which is only 8 seconds right now. This is the only feature that they have. And then for your framing, you want a wide shot, close up, over the shoulder, point of view. You want to go ahead and click the one that you want to use. So for this one, we'll just pick point of view. After that, you want to click your lighting. So you have 5 different options. You have soft lighting, hard lighting, dark, golden hour, cool, night light. After that, you want to go ahead and put in a prompt. I'm just going to put in a sample prompt that I like to use. Okay. When you put in your prompt, you want to put it in exactly what you want. And after that, you want to put in the type of audio that you want. What do you want your character to say, or what do you want a narrator to say? What do you want to happen? So for example, for this one, I have a sophisticated Black woman with sleek hair wearing luxury jewelry, sitting in an upscale craft studio with high-end supplies, visible, soft, dramatic lighting, creating an exclusive atmosphere, filming herself with a phone and selfie mode, casual but confident energy, like she's talking to her bestie. And then for the audio, this is what I want her to say. Thursday's masterclass sold out last time in 6 hours. Early access starts now. Link it in the bio before it's too late. In a photorealistic style. Okay. And so this, since we already have the style, we can take that out. And again, if you wanted to go back and change it, you can just click on this and change it to photorealistic. After that, you can go ahead and click generate. Even though they have an add media button here, that does not work for the stage that it's in now. So all you're going to do is go ahead and click generate, and then your video will appear. Keep in mind that it is limited how many videos you can make per month. I have used up my usage inside Canva for the month. There are other options to use this video format, but you would have to use a different platform. So I'm just showing you inside Canva for today. Let's take a peep at what we got from a basic prompt. Content like this stops the scroll immediately and gets people curious about your business and wants to know what's going on.
Y'all, I probably shouldn't be sharing this, but the Inner Circle group chat is going OFF right now. Someone just dropped an exclusive vendor opportunity.
Wow, mind-blowing, right? Let's look at a compilation of videos that can be made to promote your crafting biz, that shows workspace videos that build trust, process videos that get saves, product showcases that drive sales, or simple business content that builds authority. If you would like to have access to an arsenal of video prompts to boost your creative biz, click the link in the comments. Okay, let's see how powerful this video AI in Canva can be.
That heat press reveal hits different every time. Perfect press guaranteed.
Flash sale alert. Custom tumblers 50% off. That's only $15 instead of $30. Scrapbookers and card makers. 100 digital papers for just $3. Print unlimited, create endless.
Tired of inconsistent craft sales? This Thursday, learn the 3-step system that changes everything.
Free masterclass, link in bio.
Not all heroes wear capes, some make them. Captain Crafty to the rescue! Why settle for boring when you can have custom?
Thursday's masterclass sold out last time in 6 hours. Early access starts now. Link in bio before it's too late.
That's the power of VEO 3 right inside Canva. No more excuses for not having video content. Your homework is to go try this right now and create at least one video for your business. Comment below with your results and don't forget to grab the ultimate prompt pack. Link in the comments. Subscribe, like, and comment if you want more AI and creative business tips, and I'll catch you in the next one.